So for me, I wanted to improve my skills when I'm flying my drone, and I'm guessing that you want to do the same. So I wanted to learn how to be more accurate, faster, and even try racing. But I found that these three things were the best. And the first one was super simple, and that was actually just putting in the time. Now for me, I would do a minimum of 3 batteries a day. And during those 3 batteries, I would have to push myself to learn new tricks or beat a faster lap time. Now, you can always do more, but I would say the minimum should be 3. By the first battery, you get the hang of what you want to do, and you know where you want to fly and kind of what you want to do. And by the second and third battery, you're already going out and trying to beat your time, trying to improve and fly even faster. Now the second one also goes together with the first one. And you want to find like a course or make one. Now for me, I didn't have an actual course set up. I just created one in my mind. As in like, I would have to go through in between these trees, do this trick, and try to make it as fast and as smooth as possible. And after I found what worked the best, I just went faster and faster. Now a nice thing that I realized when I was flying is that you have a timer on your goggles. So you can always go through and just remember when you started your lap and when you finish and just see what your time is. Now it's really cool to see how you can just change based off of having a predetermined course. Because then you can know what tricks you want to do, how fast to go. You kind of learn a few different things, and it's a little bit different than just flying in the open air. Now the third one is going to happen, and there's no way to get around this. And you're going to crash your drone. It might just be a few broken propellers, or it might just be completely destroyed and in pieces. I went through and just bought a ton of extra propellers. And another thing is you can buy racing propellers. I haven't seen a major speed difference or handling improvement, but it does make a little bit. So you can always go out and just try different propellers. You just want to make sure to have a lot. Now for me, these 3 tips actually improved my speed, my accuracy, and how smooth I'm actually flying. Now a main thing is you want to be consistent, and I would keep this up for at least a solid week or 2. And you will definitely see an improvement on how fast you fly and how accurate you are. Now I'm Zane Shaw, and keep flying.